Welcome to the Royal Horticultural Society in Wisley, which is about 10 miles southwest of London, England. This is a massive site and a world store of various plants, seeds. It's beautiful parkland, manicured gardens of all sorts, and then a great glasshouse. Much of the film that you see is shot with the Z50, and also the stills are shot with the Z50, partly using a Tamron 1840, the native Z DX 16 to 50 and the 50 to 250. So there's a collection of different lenses there to try out the sharpness and clarity of the shots. These are beautiful gardens, well worth a visit if you're ever in this part of the UK. Today was a beautiful sunny day, chilly, but absolutely great. I hope you enjoy the video. Please tap the subscribe, bash the like, and ask some comments and questions, and I'll do my best to answer them. Thanks for watching.